Have you ever wondered why that stubborn belly fat refuses to leave, even when you count every single calorie you eat? We often believe that a calorie is just a calorie, but your body is not a simple calculator. It is biological. Your metabolism is strictly controlled by a master clock in your brain, dictating exactly how you process energy based on time. The secret lies in stopping your food intake at 6 p.m. This simple decision triggers a cascade of powerful hormonal changes. Eating 500 calories at 10 in the morning is metabolically different from eating those same 500 calories at night. Your body is designed to digest and burn energy during daylight hours, not when it is preparing for deep restorative sleep. When you eat late, you force your system to work against its natural rhythm, causing stress and confusion at a cellular level. To understand this process, we must look at insulin, the hormone that acts as the master gatekeeper of your fat storage. When you eat, insulin levels spike to shuttle energy into your cells. This is essential for life, but it has a cost. While insulin is high and active, your body completely locks the doors to your fat stores. You cannot burn fat now. If you are grazing and snacking until bedtime, your insulin never drops low enough to allow your body to burn fat. By stopping at 6 p.m., you give your body time to lower insulin significantly by 9 p.m., unlocking the fat-burning mode. However, there is another player involved. As darkness falls, your brain releases melatonin, the sleep hormone, to help you rest. Melatonin and insulin are biological enemies. When melatonin rises, your pancreas naturally stops producing insulin to prepare for the night fast. This creates a temporary insulin resistance. Your cells become less responsive to insulin at night compared to the morning hours. If you eat late, that sugar stays in your blood longer, causing damage and inflammation because it has nowhere to go. Since the muscles are sleeping and refusing energy, the body has no choice but to store that late meal as belly fat. This leads to visceral fat, the dangerous type of fat that wraps around your organs and drives chronic metabolic disease. But when you stop eating at 6, you align perfectly with your biology. Your insulin is low when melatonin starts rising. This brings us to the most magical part of the night, the golden fat-burning window between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. During this deep sleep phase, your liver runs out of easy sugar and finally turns to your belly fat for fuel. This process is called lipid oxidation. Your body is literally eating its own fat reserves to keep your heart beating. Your vital organs rely on this clean energy source while you dream. It is a natural metabolic state designed for survival. If you had eaten a late snack, your body would be busy digesting that food instead of accessing your stored body fat. Fasting starting at 6 p.m. also triggers a massive spike in human growth hormone, often called the fountain of youth. This powerful hormone protects your lean muscle mass, ensuring that your body burns fat for fuel, not your hard-earned muscle. This is why intermittent fasting is so effective. It targets the fat stores specifically while preserving your structural integrity. By the time you wake up at 6 a.m., you have completed a full 12 hours of fasting without any effort. At this 12-hour mark, a process called autophagy begins. This is your body's cellular housekeeping and recycling mechanism. Your cells identify old, damaged components and break them down to create new, healthy parts for a fresh start. Instead of waking up groggy from digestion, you wake up feeling lighter, sharper, and energized, ready to tackle the day. Your liver has had a chance to rest and regenerate, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease and metabolic disorders. Over time, this simple habit of closing the kitchen at 6 p.m. can dramatically reshape your waistline and your health. Consistency is key. It takes a few days for your hunger hormones to adjust to this new, healthier schedule. If you feel hungry in the evening, Try drinking water or herbal tea. Often, thirst is disguised as hunger pangs. Treat your body with respect. Give it the downtime it needs to repair, recover, and burn the excess energy storage. Remember the 3 pillars: circadian rhythm, low insulin, and high growth hormone. They are your allies in weight loss. Combine this eating schedule with a morning walk to maximize the fat-burning effects while your insulin is still low. When you finally break your fast the next morning, your body is primed to absorb nutrients efficiently and effectively. Many people report not just weight loss, but significantly improved mental clarity and focus throughout the entire working day. By reducing the eating window, you also lower systemic inflammation, which is the root cause of many modern chronic diseases. Your heart health improves as blood pressure stabilizes and triglycerides drop, all thanks to giving your digestion a break. Try to adjust your lifestyle to eat your final meal earlier. It is a small change with massive long-term rewards. Stop eating at 6, sleep well, let your body burn fat, regenerate your cells. It is the blueprint for longevity. You are not just losing weight, you are liberating your body from the constant burden of digestion and insulin spikes. Listen to your biology. Respect your internal clock and watch as your belly fat disappears along with your fatigue. Knowledge is power. Understanding how your body works is the first step towards taking full control of your physical health. Join the thousands of people who have transformed their lives by simply changing the timing of their daily meals. Start tonight. Close the kitchen early. Give your body the gift of time, and it will reward you with youth. It might be difficult at first, but stick with it. Your body adapts quickly, and the hunger will soon vanish. Consult with your doctor if you have specific conditions, but for most, this is a safe and natural biological reset. Weight loss, endless energy, and longevity are waiting for you on the other side of this simple lifestyle adjustment. Let the night be for sleeping and healing, not for digesting. Your body will thank you every single morning. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the science of timing and your body's amazing potential. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button and share this video with someone you care about. Check out our other videos to learn more about how your body works and how to optimize your health naturally. Thank you for watching Science Plus Health Stories. Adopt this simple habit to transform your health and subscribe for more insights. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious, and listen to your body. Remember, the power to change your health is in your hands. Good night, and here is to a healthier, leaner you.